wonderful world. What a wonderful.
Hello guys, good morning! Welcome, welcome! Ayan, makikita nyo mga ladies. Yay! Mga Pinays! And happy birthday, Tita Chrissy!
Yes!
And then now, we're going for a high tea. Ayan, ladies. Ladies only and girls power!
Yes! Ladies power! Ladies power!
Kaya tara na, high tea na tayo.
Let's
Yes!
go! See you later!
Ladies power, ladies day out guys. We're on the way sa Umslanga. It takes about 30 minutes drive from here. And I am the driver. Ang ganda, grabe. Ano to, totoo?
No, I think
Plastic?
no, mukhang totoong Anturium. Anturium naman parang plastic eh. I think so.
Hi, madam. Is this real? Wow. Very nice.
So this is the Birds of Paradise, right?
Okay.
Anturium.
Kita, oh. The celebrant. The queen of the day. Okay. Bedroom.
Bedroom ko.
Oh. Okay. Pwede mag-tour.
Tour. Welcome to the house tour. Ganyan.
There's another room here. There's a function. And this is the outdoor. And that is the lighthouse.
Yeah, ito yung lighthouse.
Tita Chrissy, happy birthday again. How old are you? How young?
39 na.
Yes, 39. O, diba? Guys, this is Tita Chrissy, the Sandra, and Jamaline. And we are in the Oyster Box Restaurant Hotel. And we are waiting for the booking. We're booked at 2:30. And the time now is?
1:48, I think last time I checked.
We're too early.
Yes.
And later on, ipapasya namin kayo sa lighthouse. high tea in the oyster box.
Akala ko nga,
Yeah, this is like a sugar stirrer at the same time. We have brown and we have the white. There you go. Scavenger brew.
it's hard to sit, no? Parang hirap ang dito. None. Yes. Then I'll bring another one.
That's not alcoholic, huh? Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Chrissy.
Cheers. Thank you, Chrissy, for inviting us. And thank you, Lord. And more birthday to come. Thank you. Cheers. Jemeline, welcome to the group. Thank you. Welcome to the group.
Welcome.
Yes. Cheers. And this is a nice wrap.
Asian.
Yummy. Very delicious. There we go.
May sushi pala sila dito, oh.
This one is veggie. Veggie. Kita ma-ask guys ba to come? Baliktad pala yung welcome. Hindi kasi sabi niya, ay, bakati lang yan kasi. Ayaw niya pumunta dito dati.
Sino?
So I'll tell him the sushi and the savory. Hindi, akala niya kasi all ano lang, sweets. Sa mga tikis pa. Merong savories eh. So ano to? Salmon? Sarap pa. At ang inis
Ewan ko, siguro ano.
spinach saka peta. Peta ata.
Ayan po, may caviar. Salmon with caviar. Ang ganda ng cheesecake mo.
Kaya nga, ayaw kong kainin eh.
That's the cappuccino. Can I have brown? Hindi ko pala tinikman muna bago ano, baka may sugar na siya.
We finished eating some of the food. Now we having tea. Ate Juicy, Ate Ju, what did you drinking?
Cappuccino.
Ate Ju having cappuccino. And Chrissy, what are you drinking?
Cappuccino too.
Cappuccino as well. This nice. And Jameline, what are you drinking?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino as well. And me, I'm having a peppermint tea. They're very nice. And this one here.
I'll try that later.
Normally I always order latte, but today I don't feel like latte. And Ate Ju, look at those cake. She eating it slowly but surely. And look at Chrissy big cake. She's eating slowly but surely.
Yay!
That's nice.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you! Hip hip! Hooray!
Red siya rin kasi birthday.
Wow! Birthday gift!
I think this is the brand guys.
Yeah, I like that.
Happy birthday, Chrissy! Guys, last round. Last round, salmon with caviar. Macarons with the guava juice. Ayan. Nagutom ang lola. How is the tea party?
Tea party is excellent. Very nice. It was very interesting. And thank you, Chrissy.
Yes, Chrissy. Oh, this is too much.
It was worth it.
Wait.
Yes.
More peppermint tea.
Yeah.
It was worth it at least.
It was nice, Chrissy. Thank you so much.
Welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Iijupan niyo ron dahil.
Now, next step, we're gonna go to the lighthouse.
Lighthouse.
Yeah, konting sightseeing lang. And then
Take
driving
your
home.
pictures.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Thank you. The Doña is walking on the red carpet. Oh, red carpet. Ako guys, we're going to the lighthouse. Oh, nice. Here's the lighthouse. Ayun, hinangin ng buhok. Okay guys, that's all for now. Salamat po Chrissy for the treat party. It was very nice, feeling social talaga. So dito na lang po, pauwi na kami, baka gabihin pa ang mga Doña.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.
God bless.
Please like, share, and subscribe.